Now let's talk about L in consonant groups at the beginnings of words. For example, the consonant group BL in the word black. The consonant group SPL in the word split. Split is to divide. We can split a sandwich. You take half and I take half. So again, here's our L. It's in a consonant group at the beginning of words. Just as with L followed by a consonant in words like old, mailman, I told you to take your time and make that full L sound. You need to do the same thing in words like black. Keep the tip of your tongue pressed against the hard bump. Let me hear the full L before you move into the vowel sound, black. If you try to say the word too quickly, your listeners may not hear the L. Same thing in split. Take the time to say the full sound, L, before you get into it. Split, split. Okay? Now here's an interesting point. In these consonant groups, you need to be careful with the sound PL and the sound KL. For example, words like plane, an airplane, and clean. With P and K, there's a slight difference with L. Now in general, L is a voiced consonant. There is the sound of your voice from beginning to end. But when L follows P or K, it actually begins voiceless. Your sound starts as you drop your tongue down to make E in clean, clean. In other consonant groups, L is the full voiced sound that we've been talking about all along. Let's try some exercises.
Exercise 4. Listen and repeat after me. Blow. Blue. Note the two different spellings. The first is the past tense of blow, and the second is the color. Let's go on. Glow. Glass. Glue. In these last two columns, we have the KL sound and the PL sound. Remember, L will begin voiceless and become voiced as we move into the following vowel. Repeat after me. Class. Cloth. Clothes. Clothing. Clean. Plan. Plane. Plant. Plum. Split. Let's try the FL and SL combination. Flag. Flip. Flower. Sleep. Slip. Sloppy. Be careful. Sometimes if you make too much of an effort to pronounce the initial consonant in one of these clusters, you will have a different word and you'll be misunderstood. For example, please and police. The first is one syllable, and the PL blend together. Please. In the second word, we have two syllables, and the first one has the vowel sound p. Second syllable has the vowel sound e, police. So we say climb, flag, fly. Don't say climb, falag, fly. Again, as one syllable, say climb, flag, fly. Exercise 5. Choose the best word to complete each statement. Here's an example. You read the statement to yourself. I'll tell you the answer. As I read the sentence, listen, and then repeat after me for extra practice. Answer: the pilot flew his plane. Here's number 1. Are you hungry? Would you like a plum? 2. I learn a lot in class. 3. The wind blew the leaves. 4. When you ask for something, you should say please to be polite. 5. Plants need water and sunlight. 6. The flag of the United States is red, white, and blue. Exercise 6. Listen to the text. There are 3 ladies in the garden. Holly is looking at lilacs. When she smells their sweetness, she believes lilacs to be the loveliest flowers in the garden. Holly's sister, Delilah, likes the tulips and lilies a lot more. Their mother, Callie, is near the plum tree. She always says that plums add color to the garden, too. Let's take it sentence by sentence. I'll say a sentence and you repeat after me. If you need more time to say the sentence, hit the pause button on your screen. There are 3 ladies in the garden. Holly is looking at lilacs. When she smells their sweetness, she believes lilacs to be the loveliest flowers in the garden. Holly's sister, Delilah, likes the tulips and lilies a lot more. Their mother, Callie, is near the plum tree. She always says that plums add color to the garden, too. Are you familiar with the flowers that were in the text? This is a lilac. This is a tulip. This is a lily. And here's a plum tree.
Let's try one more exercise.
Exercise 7. Listen and identify the statement you hear. Here's an example. Don't step on the grass. Number 1. I like different kinds of foods. 2. Do you know how to fly it? 3. It's too wild. 4. That's very odd. 5. Is her name Dolly?
Don't miss part 3. We'll finish our discussion on L. We'll take a look at L at the end of words. I'll see you then. Thanks for watching.